हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। सो गाइज़, आज का दिन बहुत ही खास होने वाला है क्योंकि आज मैं जा रहा हूँ रॉयल एनफील्ड शोरूम में और आज है मेरी रॉयल एनफील्ड स्टैंडर्ड 350 की डिलीवरी। सो गाइज़, चलो चलते हैं रॉयल एनफील्ड शोरूम।
That high security number plates they give you from RT road side. That will take time. That will come. Whenever it comes here, we will give you a call. Kiran only will give you a call. Then you will have to come and get it.
With 1 year battery warranty paper.
1 year battery
Battery
warranty.
warranty paper.
Okay.
This is the copy of that.
Okay.
And vehicle service will be starting first service will be free service.
Okay.
First free service comes around 500 kilometers or 45 plus or minus days. In this both which comes first, just live in that first. In the sense, within 45 days if you are covered with 500 kilometers, just live in 500 kilometers. Not if you are not, but you are covered with 45 days, but you are not covered with 500 kilometers. Just you are given only 300 kilometers. Just make sure the days are covered. If it's okay, if the kilometers are covered within that day, it's okay.
नाउ द टाइम इज़ 12:32। डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के सारे प्रोसेस डन हो गए। सो आने वाले 10 मिनट में बाइक डिलीवर हो जाएगी। सो अभी मैं जाके बाइक डिलीवरी का वीडियो बनाता हूँ, आपको दिखाता हूँ।
If you on the key, the lights will be on. It's a
Okay.
BS4 engine. Government rules. It will be 24/7. It will be on. Just make sure, right? Just avoid the signals like coughing the keyboard. You'll be getting a box over here.
This is a battery box.
Yeah, that's a battery box. This will be a tool kit, and I'm keeping a first aid kit in this. And in this, we'll be having a fuses, sir. The fuses consumptions of each and every fuse indicates for each and every indicators, tail lamp, headlamp, as well as the ABS indication and the fuel indication,
Okay.
and for each and every parts. Just make sure this will be in running, and this green, blue, and red, it's an additional fuses for this. If it's burned or lost, you can use this as an additional. And I'm keeping a first aid kit in this. And bro, if you want any documents or cloths to be kept this side, you should keep this side only. Same as this side, you'll be getting another box that side.
So that will be empty.
Yeah, you should not keep anything. This is the emission done for 1 year validity.
Okay.
Pollution emission certificate. This is the air filter box.
Okay.
How we breathe in those? This provides oxygen for each and every part of the vehicle, like engine and for every part. Just make sure you should not keep any documents as well as clothes this side.
Okay.
And bro, another one is for every 1000 kilometers, just tighten your chains, vehicle chain.
Okay.
For every 1000 kilometers, because you know for city rates you will be shifting gears as much as.
Yes.
So it will become compulsory to become loose anyhow. Just make sure for every 1000 kilometers you should tighten your chains. Another one is front tire pressure will be 22, back 32 with the P&A range.
Okay.
Front 22 and back 32 with the P&A range. So just give me that.
रिकॉर्डिंग चालू है।
हमें रही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते।